Okay, now on your back. We'll tie it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna have you go ahead and breathe in and out for me. Good, relax. In and out again. Good, and then breathe in and hold it in. Good, relax. Okay. Deep breath in. Relax the shoulder here. Good. Same thing on this side. Good, one more. Good, relax. Okay, let's have you go on the other side now, facing this way. Take that off. Good, all right, nice and easy here. Relax the shoulders back. Perfect. Doesn't get any better than that, right? Now, the lower back adjustments don't help the pinched nerve in the neck, but when she first came in, she was complaining of some tightness in the lower back as well, so we've been treating that also. Nice and easy here. Keep that relaxed. One more. Good. Okay, now on your back. Good. And come up a little more. Good. So, also a lot of times whenever you have the pinched nerve in the neck that's going down the arm, again, like I said, it can be pinched by muscles, and those muscles are called the scaling muscles. Your brachial plexus runs right through there, and if that's tight, that can squeeze down on those. One more. Definitely not nearly as tight as you once were. There it is. Very good. Very good. All right, move your hand up. That's it for Miss Kristen. So does chiropractic work?
Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Okay, Lindsay, deep breath in and out. Good in. Okay, so you've been adjusted before, but let's practice one, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna take a deep breath in and out through your mouth. I'm gonna follow your breath down like this, and then it's already, so this is already starting to move up here, so we're just gonna give this a little bit of a push because there's still one more, okay? Okay, so let's try this one first. Go nice, gentle, deep breathing in through your nose. Let your whole body sink into the table as you breathe out. Go gentle, gentle. Good, we're gonna go up one segment here. Same thing, let your shoulders sink into the table.
Oh gosh.
Mid-thoracic, deep breath in through your nose and out. Okay, so this is rotated anterior on the left, which means we're gonna reach across the spine and push from there. So we'll just do one more check like this, keeping your legs straight. Lift your right leg up in the air, down. Now left leg, down. Was it more difficult on one side or the other?
It's hard to lift my right.
Harder on the right, sacral apex is to the right. So we're curved like this. And so the wedge is closed on the left. Right there, good. Let your shoulders relax. Okay, so I'm gonna bring your hip down like this and your shoulders in this direction like that, and then we push in that direction, okay? Okay, breathing in, letting it out. Let your whole body sink in as you breathe out. Good, shoulders coming down. There's more. Lay on your back.
Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, that was pretty good. I'm gonna reach across the spine and pull the spine back like this. Good breath there. Gentle sinking in. Got the shoulders come up. Good. Lay on your back. Did you feel any pain with that?
No.
We'll just do some traction. The breath. Good, out. Good, let this go. Good, let it all sink in. Just let your whole body sink in. Loose.
Wow, that was really nice.
Top. Good, just kind of good.
Ah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let me recheck. We're gonna go at the bottom. Good, just kind of sinking in here. Okay, deep breaths. Do some deep belly breathing. Like lift your belly. There you go. And out. Good, lift your belly. Out. Belly. Out. Couple more. More. Good flexibility. Hold on a little bit more. So what you're gonna do is breathe into your side body here, okay? Breathe in deeply into your side body. Good, push my hands out, good. Breathing out, now breathe into your side body. Out. Again, in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Okay, push. Do you still feel the tension?
Nope.
Okay, push hard. Push. Relax. Okay, again, push. Push. Relax. Still good? Still good? Okay, breathe. Out. Push. And you're gonna do 3 things. You're gonna breathe in, and then as you breathe in, you're going to point your toes up towards us. And also, you're going to increase the pressure on the inside of your mouth by sucking on your tongue, okay? So 3 things at once. You're gonna breathe in, point your toes, suck on your tongue, breathe out, release your tongue, release your feet. Good, again, breathe in, out, relax. Breathe in, out, Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Okay, I'm gonna stand right behind you on the bench.
Okay.
I'm gonna do some cranial from the top. Now, we're tender there,
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
here,
Yeah, mostly there.
here,
Mm-hmm.
here. Which one the most? Was this one the most? Hold on, ready? This one or this one?
That.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.